The ZANU-PF Central Committee member and outspoken war veteran Blessed Geza said he would soon be announcing the next action. We are taking against President Emerson Mnangagwa. Sadabana bashuka abuda panya pachinsa aiwa mtukamiri wenyika Zimbabwe's imminent fall yaunzwa nokomana na Geza kuti subscribe or like or turn the bell like tipina panapa mu the headline panapa tonoti mu Zimbabwe ndanyira chiti Geza, who has emerged as one of the ruling party's most vocal internal critics, has become a thorn in Mnangagwa's side, openly challenging his leadership and questioning his grip on power. He has already publicly demanded that Mnangagwa should resign. Operating under the banner of Zimbabwe Liberators Platform, Geza has consistently accused Mnangagwa of betraying the liberation struggle, mismanaging the country, and using the state apparatus to suppress dissent within the party. His latest remarks come again amidst deepening factionalism in ZANU-PF, with growing tensions between Mnangagwa's loyalists and those sympathetic to his deputy, VP Chiwenga. Speaking exclusively to ZimEye on Saturday, Geza laughed off claims that he was on the run from Mnangagwa's security forces. During a 7-minute conversation with the journalist Sabc, Kanzai appeared unfazed with the speculation surrounding his safety. Is this how a person who is on the run appears? He quipped, dismissing reports that he had gone into hiding. Instead, he suggested that Mnangagwa's camp was feeling the heat, stating ominously, they are the ones preparing to set off. When pressed about his next move, Geza made it clear that action was imminent. Anytime from now, I think in the next 2 days, do not be alarmed at all. We are on top of the situation, 100%, he declared, hinting a major development in his movement's operations. Geza has made headlines over the past year with his increasingly bold pronouncements accusing Mnangagwa of rigging internal party processes, sidelining war veterans, and presiding over a failed state. Thomas Kwanobranyo Kopanapa, achinowanikwa kunzi aiwa ndosha konzeresa the imminent for him tungamiri wenyika. Tunaona Geza panguva ine vachiti aiwa within 2 days vakomana vanenge vatova ne final decision yavo. Tudze mafungiro aimba tudi pamusoro pechituko chipinda comment section medu. So